everybody, Smilsy back again. I'm back with another baseball break. I believe it's my fourth straight day of baseball breaks. But I have two blaster boxes of 2020 Topps Fire. So look for autograph cards. We got 6 cards per pack. 1 4-card pack of the parallels. So yeah, I think most people either like it or hate Fire. It's just kind of middle of the road for me. You know, sometimes cards look nice, sometimes they don't. Depends on the parallel. Alright. Don't really like the gold minted that much. We'll save it for last, the first pack at least. Alright, pack 1. Alright, so we got Zimmerman on top, Cease rookie, Polanco, rookie, and Meadows. That's 2. Bo Bichette, rookie. We got Gallo. And I got a Judge 100.5 miles per hour throw. I like that parallel. That insert. Baez, McCutchen, and Crawford. We got Rios, rookie. Hoskins. Solera, red parallel. Seager, Smith, and Lindor. Devon, rookie. Low. Apropos 300 batting average. Shattering stats. Muncy, Acuna, and Springer. Alright, halfway through. Munoz, rookie. Chris Sale. Kershaw, purple, and that is numbered to 99. 50 out of 99. Kershaw, purple. Not a bad looking parallel. Alright, Mountain, Greinke, alright, 3 more. So at least I got a serial numbered. Mike Trout, Kalanda, we got a Bogarts, Power, Pride, Rivera, Mauer, and Glenn. Alright, last pack, and then we'll look at the minted pack. Gold minted. Olsen, Makata, Clevenger red. Olsen, Ichiro. Alright, let's check out the gold minted. Contreras, Braun, Winterfield, and Horner rookie. So that is for blaster number 1. Okay, we got the Kershaw 99. Nice Judge insert. Couple parallels, couple rookies. Nothing too major. We'll see what we do in blaster 2. Alright, let's go ahead and start with the minted. So I find Adams, Muncy, and Lindor. I didn't get 2 rookies, but nothing too big out of those. We got Lindor again. Ooh, congratulations. We got an auto. Gosselin, rookie for the Dodgers. Part 2 shabby. Go ahead and sleeve that. Alright, nice surprise hit there. Dodger rookie auto. Put them right on it. Go ahead. Dodgers. This is a Dodger break. Medwick. Rookie. It's not numbered. Oh, that is numbered to 25. Holy cow. I thought that was a red, but it's pink. Pink rookie. Danny Medwick. That number to 25. That's pretty crazy. They put those back to back. Olsen and Makata. Alright. Break's looking better and better. See if there's anything else in the remaining packs. Acuna, Ricky Henderson, 406, Hader, Mayhew, and Betts. Seems like Topps does that in a lot of products. Like Bowman, you'll get an auto and then also get a number parallel card in the box. It's pretty crazy. Alright, 3rd red parallel, Bell, Schwaller. I don't know why they do that. It's like you get one killer pack a lot of times. Frankie. The second one of these, Arenado. 83.5 throw. This nice looking Soto. Albies. Rivera, Mauer, Gwynn, Scherzer, Guerrero Jr., and Sanchez. Alright, we got 2 more packs. We got a Suarez, Power and Pride. U.S. Garcia. Alright, last pack. I will do a bonus pack at the end. Do all my baseball breaks. Another Ichiro. Aquino Rookie Red. Adams and Andres. Alright, pretty fun break. Do a little recap in a second. Alright, here's the 3 packs. I roll a dice. 0 bones, 1 bone, 2 bones on my dice. Skull I get to pick. And ooh, I finally get the Absolute pack. 2021 Absolute. Could get a hit out of here. J.D. Martinez, Perez, Ripken Green, Unsung Heroes Matt Chapman, Marquez Rookie Class, and Cabrera Icon. So that's the break. 2 serial number cards, number 25 and 90. Of course, the auto. So pretty good break, I said, overall for this 2020 Topps Fire, guys. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.